Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to invite someone to Spotify Premium Family. If you want to invite someone to Spotify Premium Family, this is what you have to do. If you have Spotify account, you can go to any of your favorite browser of your choice and type in spotify.com, or the way that I'm in the app now, you can just tap on the app, log in with to the app, and then tap on premium, go to family premium, get premium. So now you can now enter continue, tap on continue with family premium. Now you are allowed to, you can now enter your credit number and expiring date. So when you buy, you'll be given space to enter your home address. After entering your home address, you'll be allowed to invite only 6 people to your family premium. So guys, that is it. Premium family. So guys, that is it on how to invite someone to Spotify family, premium family. If this video was helpful, please